going over A minor and a D7, but we're going to play that now in a different part. It's a minor pentatonic lick. It's in the second position of the A minor pentatonic scale, which is adjacent to the first position, right here. That's the second position. And that's where we play that lick in this little section right there, okay? So the lick goes. Okay, so let's break that down. Use the middle finger to slide to G9. Then pick B8, and then with your ring finger you bend the B10. And then we're going to release, and then pull off back to B8. Bend, back to the G9. Okay, and then back to B8. Okay, so that's the first part. Nice vibrato there. So second part of this. 2 bends on the 10E. Release. And then pull off to E8. Twice the B10. Then pull off to B8. Up to G9, back to B8, and conclude on the B10 with a vibrato.